Hi Quakers, it's Mr. D. This is going to be a quick math review lesson on arrays. So, quickly, before we get started, why don't you pause the video so you can make sure you get a piece of paper and a pencil, or if you have a whiteboard at home, that works too. So go ahead and pause, get a piece of paper and a pencil, and then when you come back, hit play. Okay, Quakers, so the first thing we're going to do is I'm going to do a problem on my own. Just go ahead and watch, no need to write anything down. Then we're going to do a problem together where you will write it down. And then third, you'll be able to write it down on your own to see if you figured it out and how to get it. So we're learning about arrays. You learned about this way back in the first month of school. An array is a visual representation, like a picture of a multiplication question. So if we look at the first question, it says, draw an array with 3 rows and 4 columns. I'm going to circle both numbers and the vocabulary that goes along with it so I know how to draw my array. And then it says, what is the total? And I'm going to box that because I always want to box the question. So first, whenever I see 3 rows, remember rows go across, I'm automatically going to go 1, 2, 3. And then I know that there are 4 in each row. So you can use X's, circles, whatever you want. I'm going to use circles. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And the multiplication sentence that would go along with that would be 3 times 4. And I already know that because we're pretty advanced in multiplication now, but you could also find it by counting up each circle. The answer is 12. Okay? So why don't you get out your piece of paper and your pencil so we can do this one together. It says, draw an array with 6 rows and 3 columns. What is the total? So as soon as you see 6 rows, you should be, go ahead and pause the video if you want to put it in first. You should be drawing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 lines. And then you know that 3 are in each. Go ahead and pause it if you want to do it yourself. I'm going to use X's this time. 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So go ahead and pause the video and make sure yours looks exactly like this. Awesome. Now we want to write the multiplication equation, and we just use the 2 numbers we already circled. 6 times 3. Go ahead and pause the video, do that on your own. The answer is 18, and you could have counted up all the X's. Now the last one is asking you to draw an array with 5 rows and 4 columns. What is the total? So go ahead and pause the video and try it on your own, and then I'll do the rest. Awesome, you should have just completed it on your own. Here's the answer. 5 rows, 4 in each, 5 times 4 equals 20. Awesome job working on this, Quakers. If you want, you could take a picture of your work and post it on Google Classroom or send it to me, but that's not necessary. Thanks for reviewing arrays. Probably on Thursday, I'll post another quick math review video. Thanks for watching.